I am driving my car. I am driving my car. I am parking my car. I am parking my car. I started the car with a push of a button. I started the car with a push of a button. I stopped the car at the red light. I stopped the car at the red light. I am accelerating the car. I am accelerating the car. I braked suddenly to avoid hitting the pedestrian. I braked suddenly to avoid hitting the pedestrian. I am steering my car. I am steering my car. I am reversing the car. I am reversing the car. I am turning left. I am turning left. I am shifting gears. I am shifting gears. The car broke down on the way home. The car broke down on the way home. My car stalled on the way home. My car stalled on the way home. The engine overheated because of a lack of coolant. The engine overheated because of a lack of coolant. The car is leaking oil. The car is leaking oil. I had a flat tire on the highway. I had a flat tire on the highway. The brakes failed suddenly and the car hit the tree. The brakes failed suddenly and the car hit the tree. The mechanic repaired the engine. The mechanic repaired the engine. The mechanics are inspecting the car for any issues. The mechanics are inspecting the car for any issues. They adjusted the headlights. They adjusted the headlights. He is tuning the engine for better performance. He is tuning the engine for better performance. She is servicing the car. She is servicing the car. He is lubricating the moving parts. He is lubricating the moving parts. The mechanic is aligning the wheels. The mechanic is aligning the wheels. He is balancing a tire. He is balancing a tire. He is jacking up the car to change the tire. He is jacking up the car to change the tire. He lifted the car to inspect the undercarriage. He lifted the car to inspect the undercarriage. He is torquing a bolt. He is torquing a bolt. He is welding the broken parts. He is welding the broken parts. He is tested driving the car after the repairs. He is tested driving the car after the repairs. I am washing my car. I am washing my car. I am polishing the car to make it shine. I am polishing the car to make it shine. I am checking the tire pressure. I am checking the tire pressure. He is topping off the fluids. He is topping off the fluids. He is cleaning the engine bay. He is cleaning the engine bay. I am vacuuming the car seats and floor mats. I am vacuuming the car seats and floor mats.
Subscribe for more English lessons if you learned from this video.